Hello everyone, welcome back to CSAP News Analysis. So today we will discuss about the important current affairs related to 11th August 2023. This is me and my details. If you want to join our WhatsApp group and also the Telegram group, you can join via the links given below. Also, I just want to say all of you that on 15th of August, sharp at 6 p.m., Director CSAP Rajdeep Lekharu will be giving a comprehensive orientation where you will get a deep understanding how to prepare civil services both for UPSC as well as APSC. So don't miss this session. Join us live on that respective day where we will celebrate our Independence Day. Let's start with today's content. The first content says about the National Food Security Act. Second, Kerala naming change. Conjunctivitis, Sri Lanka signing FTA with ASEAN. Rise in IBD cases. I will discuss what is IBD and some of the prelims facts. So the first topic of today is National Food Security Act 2013. Etu kiyo loa gol? Karon yate bahut khini important datas kisuman ahise. Okay, Zitu Assamor contextot bahut besi important hoy ase. Okay, so today under this National Food Security Act, which basically aims for welfare measures to the rights of the citizens. Aru etu ami khodai janu je National Food Security Act 2013 came with the aim of ensuring food security and reducing hunger and malnutrition across the country. Aru azir dinot কেনেকুৱা টাইপৰ বস্তু ইন্ট্ৰোডিউস কৰা গৈছে আন্ডাৰ এনএফএসএ টাৰ্গেটেড পাব্লিক ডিস্ট্ৰিবিউশন সিস্টেম আৰু এটো কিহৰ কাৰণে ইমপ্ৰুভ কৰা এটো ইনক্লুড কৰা গৈছে ইট ইজ টু ইমপ্ৰুভ the efficiency as well as transparency of distribution of food grains, and therefore this NFSA plays a crucial role in addressing the issue of food security in India and overall striving the well-being and development of the nation. So hetu karone aji since yate ohomor context of bahut importantly ami dekhisu je pradhan mantri garib kalyan yojana underot 80 crore beneficiaries a free rice paise every month. Okay, we can see that iman khini families 53,79,880 families have been covered. Okay, 1,93,44,508 beneficiaries have reached. Aur tar oporot kisuman schemes humai ase jeneke Antyodaya Anna Yojana, priority household, one nation one ration card, Ayushman Bharat jot ami in central level ami ki ko Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana PMJAY etur context ote aji Assamot ki ulaise Mukhya Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana mane on the lines of PMJAY lines time ote ki ulaise MMJAY, that is Mukhya Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana jot a beneficiaries kini pabo kune the people who are under this particular act. To hetu karone etu bahut importantly news ase datas bur bahut important hoy aji jodi moi yate ekhon data saw implementing food security. Okay, you can see the top 3 states who is directly going in for giving food security to its citizens. Basically yate top hoy ase Orissa, Uttar Pradesh aru Andhra Pradesh with this particular score. A score bilako important hoy jay. Okay, our bottom 3 kun kun ase Delhi, Chhattisgarh, Goa. See, scores are also less. Okay, so etu karone eibilak bostu important hoy goi ase. To eta kisuman salient features dia ase 2013 or NFSA act khon loi pelai. Okay, jot ami aji je NFSA kotha ko National Food Security Act kotha ko ya significance bilak bahut hoy. Supposedly it says about a right to food, it says about the targeted public distribution system, it says about the coverage and entitlements with respective to each and every households, it says about the nutritional support to pregnant women and children. Okay, also it says about the social safety nets which mandates the provisions of meals to even destitute person. Destitute mane ki hoy beggars. Okay, bhikhari manhu bilakoko yate ensure kore so that they can directly have a leverage over this particular element. Tarpsot women empowerment or kotha koy, transparency and accountability er kotha koy. To ei gutei khini yate humai ase under this main agenda of National Food Security Act. Okay, ইয়াৰ লগত আমি কি সেটআপ কৰিছো এটা grievance redressal mechanism সেটআপ কৰিছো so as to ensure that beneficiaries are not denied from their entitlements. Okay, so hetu karone moi ki kolu je aji iman khini comprehensive coverage kora pisoto jot maternity benefits humai ase, village committees humai ase, food security allowances humai ase, aru yate obviously everyone has got an obligation, be it the central government, be it the state government, be it the local authorities, sobore yate entitlements humai ase. So hetu karone NFSA is a very important element. Okay, aru ami one nation one ration card or kothao koisilu. Okay, one nation one ration card is a very important and obviously etu eta bahut eta important policy hoy card central government or aru under this one nation one ration card jitu etu context ota aji ami koi asu etu NFSA under eta particular scheme hoy which allows all NFSA beneficiaries, particularly migrant beneficiaries, supposedly kunuba north easter hoy sakori koriba ba kibar karone hazira koribo ba kiba koribole kot goise south hot goise Keralat goise Karnatakat goise. So these systems allow NFSA beneficiaries, particularly these migrant beneficiaries, to claim either full or part food grains from any fair price shops, FPS. Aru etu keneke koribo through their existing ration card with biometrics or Aadhaar authentication, obviously. Okay, so hetu karone aji if we wants to enable right to food, if we have to support the 1/3 of population who are basically migrant laborers, enuka dhoroner scheme ami loi ahiboi lagibo. Okay, so hetu karone one nation one ration card is also very famous. Okay, so hetu karone gote beneficiaries kini kot khumai ase keneke khumai ase at gote details dia ase. You can write one mains question also yata eta MCQ dia ase. Please do go and attempt these questions. Okay, yate moi eta scheme or kotha hudu PMGKAY. PMGKAY. A scheme to ki? Okay, aru A scheme to details muk olop likhi dibo lage. Ki kolo moi PMGKAY. Firstly muk yar full form to lage. Tar pisot ki lage je what this scheme is all about. What this scheme is all about. Okay, chalo. Next ki hoise Kerala name changed to Keralam. Okay, so etu kihor karone news ase because the state legislative assembly of Kerala unanimously passed a resolution urging the central government to officially change the name of state from Kerala to Keralam, and this indicates strong support for the proposed name change amongst the state representatives. Okay, so etu ami janu je according to the resolution of the name our state is Malayalam in Keralam is Keralam. So states were formed based on the linguistic basis. I mean, it is janu sobe. Okay, and that day is also observed as a Kerala formation day. So this is Kerala. Here the districts black mention as a silo para bhalke. It is basically in the western coast of India. Ekhini ami Malabar coast buliu ko aru important hoy. So therefore today this Keralam which is accepted in Malayalam, but in Kerala, but if I say about Kerala, it is commonly used in official records, particularly English documents. So yate mainly amar kuntu article or kotha ahi jay yat article 3, specifically article 3. So article 3 ki kwa ase it outlines the provisions for the formation of new states, alteration of areas, boundaries or name of existing states. Okay, so hetu karone this article empowers the parliament to make decisions regarding territorial and administrative divisions of the country. Aru ei provisional mote article 3 mote formation of new states koribo para, altering state boundaries koribo para, mane state boundaries la change kora. Okay, state name change koribo para. So obviously tekhetokole a state name change ote a clause to humoi loise. Okay, to yar karone ki koribo lage ekhon bill anibo lage presidential recommendation. And the state can also initiate the process by passing a resolution for name change and forwarding it to the central government. So tekhetokole aji hetue korise. And once the central government crafts a bill and send it back to the state for input within a set time frame, obviously we could say that tar pisot eta suggest koribo pare parliament that yes, now we can directly make the name change. Okay, so hetu karone aji yate eta demand solise renaming of the states of India. Okay, ami enuka agote bahut dekhisu সো ইয়াতে প্ৰচিডিউৰ কোৱা আছে মই ষ্টেট গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট প্ৰপ'জেল যাব মিনিষ্ট্ৰী অফ হোম এফেয়াৰ্ছে এপ্ৰুভেল দিব এনঅ'চি এখন আহিব ঠিক আছে কনষ্টিটিউচনেল এমেণ্ডমেণ্ট কৰা যাব তাৰপিছত বিল ইন পাৰ্লিয়ামেণ্ট যাব অ'কে দ্যাট উইল বি বোথ ইন আপাৰ হাউচ এণ্ড দ্য লোৱাৰ হাউচ অ'কে তাৰ কাৰণে চিম্পল মেজৰিটি লাগে সেইটোও ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয় তাৰপিছত ওৱান্স দ্য প্ৰেচিডেণ্ট গিভছ দ্য বিল বিকামছ আ ল তাৰপিছত সেইটো ইমপ্লিমেণ্টেশ্যন হ'ব সো এইটো এটা ৰাফ প্ৰচিডিউৰ দিয়া আছে এবাউট দিছ চেঞ্জ অফ নেম তো আমি ৰিচেণ্টলি ৰিনেম প্লেচেছ ইন ইণ্ডিয়া সেইবিলাক আমি চাম আলাহাবাদ ইউপিত প্ৰয়াগৰাজ কৰা গ'ল फैजाबाद अयोध्या करा गल मुगलसराय दीनदयाल उपाध्याय नगर करा गल ओस्मानाबाद धारसीफ करा गल औरंगाबाद छत्रपति संभाजी नगर होशंगाबाद नर्मदापुरम हबीबगंज रानी कमलापति खिजरबाद प्रतापनगर और मिया का बड़ा दैट इज महेश नगर हॉल तो এইবিলাক আমাৰ কিছুমান নেম চেঞ্জ আছিল যিবিলাক আমি দেখিছো ইন দ্য কনটেক্সট তো এইকাৰণে ইয়াতে আৰ্টিকল 3 লৈ পেলাই বহুত বেছি ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট হয় ওকে সবে মোক আৰ্টিকল 1 টো ভালকে লিখি দিবা Article 1 of the Indian Constitution. Okay, আৰু তাতে দুটা বস্তু আছে এটা ইউনিয়ন অফ ষ্টেটস আৰু এটা ফেডাৰেশন অফ ষ্টেটস সো ইউনিয়ন অফ ষ্টেটস মানে কি হয় আৰু ফেডাৰেশন অফ ষ্টেটস মানে কি হয় দুটাৰ ডেফিনিশন মোক লাগে ওকে চলো এটা মই মেইনস কোৱেশ্চন দিয়া আছে চাই লবা এন এমসিকিউ তাৰপিছত ইয়াতে আহিলে কনজাংটিভাইটিছ কেसेस এটা বেমাৰ হয় চকুৰ আমি সবে জানো ওকে তাৰ কাৰণে আমি কলা চশমা পিন্ধি আহো সো দ্যাট ইট ডাজ নট gets transformed into other so hetu karone conjunctivitis to ami ki boli ko it is swa yate red eye hoi jay hetu ami pink eye boli ko conjunctivitis aru etu state ot bahut beshi ke bahise etia tar karone school o bondho kori dibo laga hoise kisuman jega so therefore conjunctivitis commonly known as pink eye is an infection or an inflammation of the transparent membrane that covers the eyelid and eyeball so ei ji membrane to affect kore he membrane to ami ki boli koa jay conjunctiva CONJUCTIVA okay CONJUNCTIVA conjunctiva okay so hetu kuntu hoy ei membrane to hoy ei je boga color membrane to ase yate ei membrane to ami ki koi asu conjunctiva okay why do appear pink see when small blood vessels in the conjunctiva become swollen and irritated they becomes more visible obviously ami janu yate blood vessels bahut thake and this is what causes the whites of the eye to appear reddish or pink aru etu kihor karone hoy it may be for a virus it may be for a bacteria or it may be for allergies but both bacterial and viral conjunctivitis are highly contagious while the allergic is not to aji viral aru bacterial to basi easily transfer hoy from one place to another and from one to another and therefore it occurs it may be through a direct contact or it may be through an indirect contact okay so direct transmission may help or direct transmission may happen through droplets from the cough or sneeze of an infected person or through hand to eye contact or indirectly can spread hobo pare through personal items such as towels makeups pillow contact lenses etu karone hoy ye bahut kita symptoms ami dekha pao ki symptoms thake mainly redness okay swelling hobo pare infection hobo okay you can also feel watery in your eyes okay increased tear production hetu kotha hai watery eyes itching irritation and burning discharge pus or mucus okay crusting of eyelids or lashes especially in the morning and contact lenses that feel uncomfortable and do not stay in the place of the eye just because it becomes swollen up so your treatment to ki hoy so for this treatment of conjunctivitis one needs to use a combination of medicines and one of the most useful treatment is using artificial tears and even lubricating eye drops it is a treatment which can help the infected person to maintain the moisture okay so you have the treatment diya ase use eye wipes to clean the eyes don't rub your eyes use protective dirt or goggles avoid using home remedies self prescription consult a doctor before using any drops consult an ophthalmologist mane ki choku chikitsak eye doctor okay so yate dia ase gute khini bostu ki koribo lage ki koribo na lage please go ahead because it bahut rise ase and please be careful everyone okay also be hydrated hoday hydrated hoye thakiba okay so that you can make or you can protect yourself from getting affected through this very disease known as conjunctivitis okay main question ka diya ase yate sai loba এটা match the following দিয়া আছে, please do attempt this. Okay, so we are going live on 15th August 2023 at 6 p.m. where Director CSAP Sri Rajdeep Lekharo will go for a comprehensive orientation for everyone for the preparation of civil service examination, that is both for APSC as well as UPSC. So do join us live for this wonderful session so that you could know a better depth of knowledge about how to go ahead with the whole process. Okay, this is our Instagram, Facebook and YouTube page. Please follow us back. Next, Sri Lanka signing FTA with ASEAN. Okay, yet mainly আমি জানিব লাগে কি what is FTA. FTA বুলি ক'লে কি বুঝো? It is a pact between two or more nations to reduce barriers to imports and exports among them. আজি যদি আমাৰ কাবাৰ লগত FTA আছে, that means what? That means আজি আমাৰ কোনো import duty নালাগে বা কোনো export duty নালাগে. Import মানে কি? কোবাৰ পৰা বস্তুটো লৈ আহা, export মানে কোবাৰ পৰা আমাৰ ইয়াৰ পৰা বস্তুটো পঠোৱা. So obviously, if we have got a pact that is known as FTA, it will reduce the barriers of import and exports. And goods and services can be bought and sold across international borders with no tariffs, quotas, subsidies or any prohibitions. So আজি যদি মই কওঁ India আৰু FTA ৰ কথা. So after India opted out with the RCEP বুলি আমি কি বুঝো? Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership. আৰু এটো mainly কাৰ লগত? With all the Southeast Asian nations, East Asian nations. But RCEP in India কিয় member নহয়? Just because China is the member of RCEP. Okay, বাকি লগত problem নাছিলে because we know it is a 15-member group. Okay, so আজি এই কথাটো কিয় ওলাইছে? It is only because just Sri Lanka signing an FTA with ASEAN. ASEAN বুলি ক'লে কি বুঝো? The 10 countries which are basically on Southeast Asia. Okay, আৰু ASEANৰ এখন country such as Myanmar, এখনৰ লগত আমি কি কৰো? Direct border share কৰো. তো আজি ইণ্ডিয়াৰো বহুত কিখন free trade agreement আছে. So India today has got free trade agreement or agreements such as the CECPA. কি হয় এখন? Comprehensive Economic Cooperation and Partnership Agreement. আৰু এখন কাৰ লগত আছে? India আৰু Mauritiusৰ মাজত. It's a small African island country in Indian Ocean. তাৰপিছত SAFTA আছে, SAPTA, South Asia Free Trade Trading Agreement. তাৰপিছত SAFTA আছে, South Asia Free Trade Agreement. তাৰপিছত APTA আছে, APTA কি হয়? Asia Pacific Trade Agreement. এইবিলাক আছে আমাৰ লগত. So এটো কাৰণে আজি শ্ৰীলংকায়ো কৰিছে FTA ASEAN countries-ৰ লগত. Okay, so that they could improve their relations of markets and they could improve their economy, just because we know recently Sri Lanka has directly got with an economic collapse. So to revive them back, তেখেতসকলে ASEAN countries ইখনৰ লগত এটা FTA sign কৰিছে, which will directly boost obviously their economic cooperation, peace and security, connectivity এইবিলাক বঢ়াই দিব, যেটো বস্তু আমাৰ ইণ্ডিয়াৰ লগতো হৈ আছে. Okay, চলো. Rise in inflammatory bowel disease. So it is a disease hoy, okay, which is today is now prevalent in various rural areas, just it is in urban areas. And we can see that the study points which we need to understand or we need to know, it is only because it is happening just because of urbanization of rural areas, which is a leading cause of this particular shift. Okay, so today if I say about this IBD, that is inflammatory bowel disease, it is a term for two conditions. Eta hoy amar Crohn's disease aru eta ulcerative colitis. এই দুটা বস্তু সোমাই আছে, which is characterized by chronic inflammation of the gastrointestinal tract. Okay, so etu karone aji yate news asile kihor karone? Just because prevalence of this IBD has increased more than 5% compared to 0.1% in 2006. আৰু etu recently kune koise? Telangana based research published the Lancet Regional Health Southeast Asia journal. So aji ei inflammatory bowel disease, it is of two types, যেটো আমি কলো. এটা এটো Crohn's disease আৰু এটা ulcerative colitis. Crohn's disease কি হয়? So it can affect any part of the GI tract. এই গুটেটো আমি কি বুলি কৈ আছো? GI tract বুলি কৈ আছো. মই যে দেখাইছো এনেকে আকি পেলাই, এই গুটেটো কি হয়? Gastrointestinal tract. So Crohn's disease কি হয়? এই গোটেটো এফেক্ট হয় or some part of it directly gets affected badly. Okay, that is mainly the large intestine, যেটোক আমি কোলন বুলিও কওঁ আৰু হেতু কাৰণে ক্ৰোনছ ডিজিজ। Okay, যেটো আলচাৰেটিভ কোলাইটিছ হয়, যেটো ইয়াত দেখিলা এটো, so it is directly mainly focused in the rectum area. এটো আমাৰ rectum হয়। So in the rectum area, this becomes more vigorous. Okay, তো এটো যেটো ইনাৰ লাইনিং হয় বহুত বেছিকে ইনফ্লেমড হ'ব ধৰে আৰু ইনফ্লেম কৰি কৰি কি হয় আলচাৰ টাইপৰ হৈ যায়। এই মুখৰ ভিতৰত যে কেতিয়াবা বগা বগা আমাৰ আলচাৰ হয় গম পোৱা চাগে, খাবলৈ যে বহুত দিগদাৰ লাগে, সো সেইটো কেতিয়াবা এনেকুৱা টাইপৰ ইয়াতে হৈ যায়। সো অবভিয়াছলি ইটস আ ভেৰি লাইক পেইনফুল ডিজিজ, এটা বহুত পেইনফুল এক্ট হয়। সো এইটো দুটা টাইপ আছিলে এবাউট দিছ আইবিডি। সো সিমটমস কি হয়, abdominal pain and cramping, diarrhea ho pare, weight loss ho pare, fatigue, fever, rectal bleeding, okay, joint pain, skin problems, e gute khini ho pare. Okay, aru yate swa ase, swa yate IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, okay, irritable bowel disease, bloating, gas ho pare, okay, bloody stool, fatigue, okay, but common ekhini hoy, cramping sobote hobo. So the causes ki hoy, weak immune system responds incorrectly to environmental triggers such as virus or bacteria. Genetic component, এটো জেনেটিক্যালি আহিব পাৰে, কাবাৰ আছিলে ইন দ্য ফ্যামিলি, তাৰ লগত তোমাৰ আহি গৈছে। ওকে, সো এটা অবজাৰভেশনাল ৰিসাৰ্চত দেখি যাওয়া, নৰ্থত কিমান, ওয়েষ্টত কিমান, ইষ্টত কিমান, সাউথত কিমান, আমাৰ গোটেইখিনি ৰেট আছে ইয়াতে। ওকে, সো অবভিয়াসলি উই ক্যান সি নৰ্থত সবতকে বেছি হৈছে ইউসি বেছি হৈ আছে, ইষ্টত উই ক্যান সি ইউসি বেছি হৈ আছে, সাউথত দেখিছো আমি সিডি বেছি হৈ আছে, ওকে, ওয়েষ্টত দেখিছো ইউসি বেছি হৈ আছে। সো এইবিলাক এটা প্ৰসেস হয় য'ত আমি দেখি আছো যে হাউ দিস ইজ ডাইৰেক্টলি making worldwide, or it is, if I see in the context of India, how it is basically affecting the country in both or in the four sides of north, south, east and west. Okay, aru etu mainly cause kyo kora goise, urbanization karone main etu factor koa goise je how it has been vigorous and prevalent in this particular area. Okay, so treatments ase, no curative treatment. It is possible to reduce inflation and address symptoms, but obviously eta pakka treatment nahi hai. Okay, so yate hetu karone eta mains question dia ase, so please do write. Okay, prelims text eta ase, India's first hydrogen fuel cell powered e-bus begins trial run at Jorhat. Okay, so ami janu hydrogen fuel er kotha, hydrogen fuel cell er kotha. Okay, so we all know it's a clean, reliable, quiet and efficient source of high quality electric power. Okay, and we all know that hydrogen is one of the most abundant elements on earth for a cleaner alternative fuel option. Okay, so tar majot amar bahut khini hydrogen ase. Okay, so tumaloke muk likhi rakhabo lage je what are the types of hydrogen, okay, that we can find today in the earth. Okay, types gita lage, okay, sarita types ase, 4 types of hydrogen that we can find. Eta to green hydrogen koi dilu, বাকি কিটা কি কি কালার বলি কোৱা যায়, কালার হয়, এটা গ্রিন হাইড্রোজেন হয়, বাকি কিটা কি কি হয় হেতু মোক লিখি দিবা উইথ এক্সপ্লেনেশন, one লাইন। ওকে, আচ্ছা আৰু এটা কোৱেশ্চন মই এটা খুলিব বিচাৰিছো যে ইফ আই হ্যাভ টু সে অ্যাবাউট হাইড্রোজেন ফিউয়েল সেল যেটো নিউজত আছে এতিয়া, এই হাইড্রোজেন ফিউয়েল সেল ভেহিকলস বিলাকে এটা এক্সস্ট প্ৰডিউস কৰে। ওকে, মই এটা অপশন দিম তোমালোকক। ওকে, option is NH3, that is ammonia, CH4, methane, H2O, water, aru eta ase H2O2, oxide. এই চাৰিটাৰ মাজত হাইড্ৰোজেন ফিউয়েল সেলে ভেহিকলছত প্ৰডিউস কৰি কোনটো এক্সস্ট প্ৰডিউস কৰি আছে মোক কমেন্ট সেকশনত কোৱা। ওকে, what exhaust that hydrogen fuel cells directly produces. Okay, hetu muk lage. Tapsot Amrit Sarovar scheme, 2 ponds constructed at Dekoraiguri near Kusumtola under the Amrit Sarovar schemes was formally inaugurated by Sutia MLA Padma Hazarika. Okay, so it is mission Amrit Sarovar kotha ase. Okay, under Amrit Sarovar plan 75 ponds in Ghaziabad would be restored. Okay, implementation strategy ki hoy, technical partner kun hoy, basic board important hoy, Bhaskaracharya National Institute of Geoinformatics and Space Application. Okay, basic important, board important hoy. Okay, that's what participating ministries or department কোনকিটা ministry participate কৰি আছে। So এইবিলাকৰ আন্ডাৰত এটা পোন ইয়াতে ইনগ্ৰেট কৰা গৈছে বাই সুটিয়া MLA পদ্ম হাজৰিকা। তাৰপিছত হাৱাই USA ৱেলফেয়াৰ কথা কৈছে so Hawaii is a very small island which is basically a overseas territory of USA okay in the Pacific Ocean so a devastating wildfire swept through Maui Hawaii leading to destruction fatalities and evacuation so it's an island in the Central Pacific importantly নিজৰ আছে Maui okay আৰু এইটো ক'ৰ part হয় Hawaiian archipelago so archipelago কি হয় it's an area that contains a chain or group of islands scattered in lakes rivers or oceans so এইটো এটা important prelims facts আছিলে okay so this is our academic team and this is our technical team as well as the CNA team okay as a last quote আছে the most difficult thing is the decision to act the rest is merely tenacity কোনে ক'লে Amelia Earhart okay so